Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure location services and internet are active on the device. This lets Google report positions. Next, sign in to the exact Google account tied to the device, because locating only works when the same account is used. Once signed in, go directly to Account Settings or the Google app. Don't pause for unrelated setup. You're initiating a chain of permissions and discoveries. Confirm device visibility, and that Find My Device or Location History is enabled so the next step can query real-time data. Once done, open Find My Device or Google Maps timeline while signed into the same account. These tools query recent location data. Select the specific device from the devices list so Google focuses the search. If a live position appears, use the ring feature to audibly locate it or choose secure actions like lock or sign out to protect data. If timeline shows last known points, note timestamps and movement patterns. This helps you predict where to look or what to tell authorities if recovery fails. To complete the process, confirm the device is powered and online. If not, rely on the last known location and monitor for updates. Make sure Find My Device and Location History are enabled to improve future recoveries. This prevents repeat blind spots. If nothing appears, periodically refresh and try other account devices. Troubleshooting. If locations aren't updating, verify account sync and permissions, reboot the device when possible, and only escalate to authorities when you have confirmed recent location data to share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.